Bear handheld balloon stick tutorial. Start by making 3 finger bubbles. Twist a 3-finger bubble. 2-finger bubble. 3-finger bubble. 2-finger bubble. Twist another 3-finger bubble. Secure by twisting around the knot. The first bubble is tucked into the center. Twist a 2-finger bubble into a barrier twist. A 3-finger width bubble and 2-finger width mini bubbles. Make another 3-finger bubble just like this. Wrap once around the neck. Twist a 3-finger bubble and lock it into the knot. Make another 3-finger bubble. Finally, deflate the balloon and pull it down to complete the process.